What's going on, everybody? It's your homegirl CJ, the diary of CJ Walton. You think you know, but you have no idea. And right now, I'm really, really mad because my freaking car is down, and I feel like I need to take you outside and see. Ladies, when you hear something going on with your damn car, fix it. If you hear a little, it's probably your oil, saying you need some oil. Or if you hear a like in your back, it's your hub bearings or your wheel bearings. Because that's what the F is going on with me right now. God, that is like rule number one in life. I just think that all women should know how and what the sounds are in your car. So that way you can go to your mechanic, look, I think it's my oil thing, so he won't have to say, no, it's this and this, and try to charge you more. Like, it's bogus. I'm so glad to have a really good mechanic and really good friends that actually know sounds and stuff. So I really needed to vent. I really needed to get that off. So if you feel me, if you know you hate when shit happens in your car and you gotta go to work and there ain't no other way to work and you missing money, it hit me back. Because right now I'm pissed. I want some gin. As a matter of fact, I got my gin. And I got my Family Guy. And I'm gonna watch my Family Guy. And I'm gonna drink my gin. And I'm going to wait for my mechanic to come. But until then, I will talk to you later. Right now, I'm just pissed. I just needed to get that out. That was just another diary entry. See, you think you know, but you have no idea what the hell goes on in my damn life. Ah! Okay, bye.